It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the truck. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this truck comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the trailer mode dial. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with an electric park brake below, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, and on the right we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider button, OnStar, and some interior light buttons. Up next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our trailering app, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right here, we have hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, hill descent control, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. At the front of the elevation, we have black tow hooks, fog lights, signature C-shaped headlamps, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, elevation hard badging down the side, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window slider, remote start, and the X31 Offroad Package. That means this truck has all-terrain tires, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, dual exhaust, and a high-capacity air filter. At the back, we have the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of the center console has dual cup holders, the rear fans, USB ports, and a power plug-in. Rubber floor mats on the floor. The middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage found behind either one of those rear seats, along with under seat storage accessible by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.